All these buttons.
Coming up.
How about this one? Look at this one, Harrison.
We get up close and personal with dozers, tractors, trucks, and more.
Tractor, okay, let's wait for the little boy to get out and then you can go in.
Look at that, it has lights on. All right, Harrison.
I think it's time, honey.
Can you get down? Yeah.
She said enjoy it.
Look at that.
Wow, Harrison, you're going to go on all of them, okay? Well, do you want to? Yeah. That's why. Come on, let's get in this one, then you can see up higher. You're so big. Can you get in that seat? No. You want Mama to come help you? Sit in there yourself. You can sit up there. Sit up there. Get up there.
No, I use
Okay. Come here. Oh God, it's wet.
Loader. You want to look for a turn?
Like from the
Move on there. You're welcome.
Alright. Come here. Look. You want to sit over yourself? Oh, and you got your mirror here. Oh, and look at all these buttons. How about this one? Look at this one, Harrison. Put your feet down. Yeah, and this one. Did you push your foot on the pedals? Very nice.
Look at it all. Gonna try some other ones?
I like on the wire. I like on the
Oh yeah, look at that. That's fun. Ah.
I want to do that.
Why don't you go back out that way? Harrison, go stand next to the tire. I want to see how tall the tire is.
Whoa, it's bigger than you.
Need help getting it?
You can sit in it.
Turn around and say cheese, Harrison. Cheese. Look at Daddy.
Look over here. Ready? Sit, Harrison. Here.
That one's cool. Wow.
Ooh.
Can you get up there?
You want to see the tractor? Okay, let's wait for the little boy to get out and then you can go in.
Look at that. You look like you fit just right in there.
What is that?
Hey, this window's open. Hi. Hi.
Why my window?
I know, the window's open.
The front, the steamroller, yes.
Those are the controls.
Wait, and not on?
No, not on. Woo.
Where will you on?
Well, they don't have the key in.
Why? No, don't. No. Where is cake when?
All right, buddy. I think it's time to come out.
Why? Look at Mama.
Come here.
RJ. Look at RJ. You gotta take some pictures. You want to go in there with RJ? Do you want to go in there? You want to stand in front of the window? RJ, look at Mama. Say cheese. RJ, can you look at
I'm taking pictures. Can you nap in that? I think it's kind of hot. Yeah, it is hot, huh?
Well done.
It's what? That's a big one, huh?
Look at that. It has lights on top. A big dump truck. Yeah, we go on the other side. Because that's where people are coming in. Here, go stand over by Mama. Or over here. Look at you hear the beeping. The door's open. Wow, what's that? That's to raise and lower the back.
Whoa.
Look at that. You're driving in there, huh? That's cool, huh? That's to control the back. That part's not turned on. Ooh, look at that.
What did you in?
Oh, they're shutting the door. Honk the horn, maybe. I don't know. Whoa. Get on
Look
that
at that.
seat.
Yeah, get in.
Push the buttons. Yeah. Can you get in the seat? Yeah. Hey!
No, what's over here?
I don't know.
That's the back, huh?
Why?
Hey!
What's that?
That's an armrest.
Why?
Yeah.
It broke with you? What is that? What is that?
That's to control it, I guess. That's that, huh?
But not on.
No, it's not on. I'll help you down, okay? It's a little tall. Come here. Ready? And look at the front. This is the steamroller.
Look at these big tires.
Get your picture, okay?
Or it can go on this one now.
Isn't that cool, those big tires? Get it, okay?
He's gonna wait until that point.
We will. Good job.
Wow.
Not yet. Daddy's coming around. Daddy's gonna help you. You need help?
No.
Okay, you got it. There you go. You want your hat now?
No.
It just sits right there? Okay.
Look at the back.
What's it?
That boy's got in
Let's see what's at the back. I don't know.
Doing all the knobs.
You're gonna let him take it.
Oh!
Look at the wheel, Harrison. Can you turn the wheel?
Can you push the buttons? Oh, I hear something. Do you hear it? Is there a horn? No horn.
Wow. Push this.
There's a radio up there, though.
Yeah. All right, Harrison.
I think it's time, honey.
Can you get down?
Somebody else have a try. Harrison, can you look at Mom and say cheese? Okay. I'll help you, okay?
Then you put it.
Daddy's gonna help you with it.
You gonna jump? Whoa.
There you go. All right. That one's really cool.
I want to know.
This is about your size, huh? You can almost ride this one.
Look at the back.
What's in the back?
Yeah.
It's just a place to hold stuff.
For you.
Yeah, I'll sit there. Whoa, oh look, it has a horn.
What?
Right here. Squeeze it. So we could drive around on the farm.
Why?
Take things to different places.